What's going on, everybody? So at the time you're watching this video, I don't know when it's going to get uploaded, but right now it's the 30th, and if you saw my last video, you probably would have heard that my shirts were going to get delivered today, and here they are. So I kind of already started to open the package a little bit, but I wanted to start recording first before I finish this, just so you can see kind of like my first reactions here. I'm going to cover up my address. Usually have just like a quick tear, but ooh, ooh. All right, here we go. Come on out. Oh, there we go. Just checking the bag here real quick, make sure I got everything out of it. I think so. Okay, cool. So, let's see. Here we go. So, oh my God, dude. Dude. Oh my God. Alright, I'm just gonna open the small up just because this is... Oh! Oh, come on. Are you really gonna... Okay. Alright, well... Hold on, I'm just gonna... Yeah, that's for something else. Let me open my little tripod here, but this is... Oh my God, this is... Oh, dude. Hey, look. Both hands. Okay. Oh, so this is the small. Get it in frame here. Actually, screw it. I'm just going to use this box. Wow. Oh my God. That is insane. Had to go with Gildan's. Shoot, bruh. Dang. That's insane. That is insane. Oh, that is incredible. And it's all screen printed. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is insane. I'm sorry. I'm overwhelmed here. Alright, here's the large. Actually, you know what? Fuck the box. Fuck the bag. I want to get like size comparisons here, so. Wow. Wow. Okay. So there's the small, and there's the large. So that's, oh my God, that looks so good. Now let me see how the large fits. Put it on here real quick. I'm at a loss for words. I really am. I am at a loss for... Oh. This shirt I just farted. This shirt is, oh my god. I am so happy. I am so incredibly happy. Well, you know what this means? I have to now go back, make some more shirts in some different colors, and order those as well. See if they turn out just as good. But I couldn't be happier. I really couldn't be happier with this. I have my own shirts. I'm sorry, reality is just setting in. So, there's the front. There's nothing on the back. I think at some point, I don't know if it's going to be overkill, but if I ever turn this shirt into like merch, I'm probably going to put my YouTube logo right up in here, and then InlineJDM right here across the back, just real small print, right underneath here, probably, I'd say probably about maybe that big or that far across, just on the back. In case there's anybody out there that wants a InlineJDM branded shirt, but yet isn't, it doesn't scream that you're supporting a YouTuber, but I think these are going to be great for now, because on the front, you've probably already seen this, maybe not. Right here, instead of it saying the twin cam, whatever, it's just InlineJDM, and then I don't know if maybe you've already noticed too, but right across here on the grill, or the front fascia of the Supra, is the InlineJDM. But other than that, if you're not directly looking at it, it looks literally just like a normal shirt, and I freaking love it. I'm at a loss. I'm simply at a loss. I have a lot more moments like this gonna be coming. I also kind of want to talk about too, real quick, just so I have kind of some more substance to make this video, instead of it just being about the shirts getting delivered. I would like to also say too that it's 2021. So for anybody that's keeping track of like 25-year rule for importing a car, any car that was made in 1996 up until June is legal for import. So anything that was made that has a production date of January through June of 1996 is U.S. legal for import, which means any car. The 25-year rule is kind of stupid in my opinion, just because they really nitpick at stuff. For any of you that don't know, when you import a car with the 25-year rule, you have to wait until that car is exactly 25 years. So imagine you turn 21, for example, and it's your 21st birthday. You wake up, awesome, it's my birthday, I can drink. Well, if the rules for your 21st birthday applied the same as they do for the 25-year rule to import a car, you would basically have to wait up until the point that you were born on that exact date before you could actually drink, because before then you weren't considered born. So you would have to wait until your exact time to come before you could actually drink, and for you to actually be considered 21. And for cars, it's the same way. So for the R33 Skylines, let's say I want to import a 1996, but its production date isn't until September I would have to wait until September for that car to become U.S. legal, and it's just not fun having to actually wait until the production date comes before it's technically considered legal. But I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on that. And I want to import a 97 and 98, or a 97 or a 98, either one. Those are both considered Series 3 R33 Skylines, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. I know prices for those are kind of starting to go up again. I have been watching quite recently, and I have noticed that the cars that are being imported are either already being reserved. In other words, the customer has already put a hold from whatever importer they come in on. The customer has already put a hold on that car, and the company is just waiting for payment at that point, or they're through the roof. So, not exactly best idea or thing to be doing right now, but I am considering starting the search for an R33 Skyline, at least to get one secured for the next couple years. And I'm probably gonna have to put it in storage, but that's just how it is. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick update. I've been super impressed with the shirts. Let me know what you guys think down below. Would you cop this? Is this something you would rock? And of course, I'm probably gonna make other colors, but I'm more than pleased with how these turned out, and I couldn't be more excited to now get to move on to the next step. I'm just blown away. I really am. Never thought this day would come. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button too if you like the shirts. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Would you buy one of these if I were to put them up for sale at some point and actually start making them to sell as merch? Not necessarily channel merch, but just Supra shirts, Supra apparel. Let me know in the comments if you guys would buy a shirt with that design on it. Maybe not exactly that color, but with that design. And I do have some more that I've kind of been mocking up, just testing the waters to see what exactly is what looks the best. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it as always. See you in the next one.